Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Robinhood login issues. Verification and security help step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app or go to Robinhood.com and check that your internet connection is stable. Update the Robinhood app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play to avoid outdated login errors. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can block sign-in. Make sure you are typing the correct username or email and that caps lock is off on your keyboard. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and create a new strong password you have not used before. If login fails after a password reset, wait a few minutes and try again in case the system is still syncing. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Robinhood verification messages and open the newest one only. If you use two-factor authentication, locate your authenticator app and enter the current 6-digit code. If you do not receive SMS codes, confirm your phone number is active and has cellular signal, then request a new code. Turn off any VPN or proxy and try again, because location masking can trigger security blocks. Disable ad blockers or strict browser privacy extensions temporarily if you are logging in on a desktop browser. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then close and reopen the browser before trying again. On iPhone, allow Robinhood to use cellular data in settings if Wi-Fi is unstable. On Android, allow permissions for SMS and notifications so verification prompts can reach you. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic, because wrong time can break code validation. If you see an account locked or suspicious activity warning, follow the in-app prompts to verify your identity. Prepare your government ID and take clear photos in good lighting if the app asks for document verification. Confirm your legal name, date of birth, and address match your ID exactly to prevent verification rejection. If your email was changed without permission, use the security link in the alert email to secure the account immediately. Change your email password too, because compromised email can lead to repeated Robinhood login issues. Review connected devices and sessions, if available, and sign out of any device you do not recognize. Enable two-factor authentication if it is not already on, using an authenticator app for stronger security. Avoid public Wi-Fi during login, and switch to a trusted network to reduce security challenges. If the app shows a blank screen or keeps loading, force close the app and reopen it after a minute. If the website keeps looping back to login, try an incognito window or a different browser. Check Robinhood's status page or official social channels to see if there is an ongoing outage. If none of these steps work, contact Robinhood support from the help section and include screenshots and exact error text. While waiting for support, do not create multiple accounts, because that can delay verification and security reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.